Meaning of handbrake.
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 Handbrake. The handbrake, also known as the emergency brake or parking brake, is a secondary braking system in a vehicle that is manually operated. It is typically used to keep the vehicle stationary when parked or to slow down the vehicle in an emergency situation. The handbrake works by applying friction to the wheels and is activated by pulling a lever or pressing a button located on the center console or dashboard of the car. Proper use of the handbrake can help ensure safety and prevent accidents while driving.